Hello everyone. We all lead busy lives, often focused on everything around us, our work, our relationships, our goals. But how often do we stop and focus on ourselves? It's easy to overlook, but focusing on yourself every day is one of the most powerful tools you can use to create the life you desire. We all experience moments where we feel disconnected or lost. Maybe life isn't going as planned, or we feel overwhelmed by external pressures. The truth is, the key to overcoming these feelings and transforming your life lies within you. The only person you can truly change, the only person whose actions, thoughts, and feelings are entirely within your control, is yourself. So, let's talk about focusing on yourself every day. The first thing to understand is that it's not about being selfish. In fact, it's the opposite. When you focus on your own well-being and growth, you become a better person for those around you. You can't pour from an empty cup. If you're constantly giving to others but not filling yourself up, you'll eventually run dry. Focusing on yourself is about taking care of your mental, emotional, and physical health so that you can show up as the best version of yourself. The world we experience outside is often a reflection of what's happening within us. Our inner world shapes the reality we encounter every day. If your mind is filled with self-doubt, negative beliefs, or constant worry, that's what you'll see in your external world. But, if you start focusing on your inner state, if you start changing the thoughts you think about yourself, your circumstances will begin to shift as well. Start each day with an intention to focus on your thoughts, your emotions, and your desires. Your thoughts are not just random, they are powerful. Every thought you have sends out a vibration into the universe, and this vibration attracts experiences that match it. So, if you want a life filled with peace, success, love, or abundance, begin by changing your thoughts to align with those desires. One of the most effective ways to start focusing on yourself is by practicing gratitude. Every day, find at least one thing to be thankful for. It could be something as simple as the warmth of the sun on your skin, a kind gesture from someone, or your own health. Gratitude shifts your energy, and when you focus on what you're grateful for, you invite more of that goodness into your life. Another important aspect of focusing on yourself is understanding the power of your imagination. Imagination isn't just a tool for creative expression, it's the means by which you can shape your reality. Spend time each day imagining the life you desire. Visualize yourself living that life, feel the emotions of having what you want as if it's already here. The more vivid and real you make these mental images, the faster they will materialize in your world. It's also essential to be kind to yourself. We are often our own harshest critics, pointing out every flaw and mistake. But self-criticism only keeps you stuck in a cycle of negativity. Instead, practice self-compassion. Speak to yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend. Remind yourself that you are doing the best you can, and that's more than enough. Every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Taking time each day to focus on yourself also means setting aside time for personal growth. You can do this by reading, listening to inspiring content, or meditating. These practices help you expand your mind and shift your perspective. The more you learn and grow, the more you begin to see new possibilities for yourself and your life. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle of daily life, constantly rushing from one task to the next. But when you don't take the time to focus on your own needs, you're not living consciously. You're simply reacting to the world around you. By setting aside time to center yourself each day, whether through meditation, deep breathing, or quiet reflection, you can regain your sense of control. You can step out of the chaos and into a space of calm, where your true desires can be heard. If you're someone who struggles with focusing on yourself, it's okay. It's normal to feel guilty or selfish at first. But, the more you take care of yourself, the better you can show up for others. You can only give love, support, and care to others when you are filled with love, support, and care for yourself. Sometimes, focusing on yourself means learning to say no. We live in a world where we're constantly asked to do more, to give more, to be more. But it's okay to set boundaries. You don't have to please everyone, and you don't have to sacrifice your own well-being for the sake of others. Saying no is an act of self-respect, and it allows you to protect your energy so you can focus on the things that truly matter to you. Focusing on yourself also means acknowledging your dreams and desires. We often put our dreams on the back burner in the pursuit of what we think we should do, what society expects of us, or what others want from us. But when you stop and focus on yourself, you reconnect with those dreams. You give yourself permission to go after what truly excites you, and you begin to realize that you have everything within you to make those dreams a reality. Your life is a reflection of the choices you make. Every decision you make shapes the future you will live. By focusing on yourself every day, you empower yourself to make better choices, choices that align with your true desires, your true values, and your true self. You stop living by default, and instead, you start living intentionally. As you go through your day, pay attention to your thoughts. Notice when they are negative or limiting, and make a conscious effort to replace them with thoughts that empower you. Every time you think of something positive, it's like planting a seed in your mind. With time, these seeds will grow, and you will start to see the fruits of your labor in your outer world. The truth is, you are the creator of your reality. What you believe, think, and feel creates your experiences. When you focus on yourself, you begin to align with your highest potential. You begin to tap into the infinite power within you. And as you do, the world around you begins to change. Opportunities arise, relationships improve, and you step into the life you've always dreamed of. Focusing on yourself is not a one-time thing. It's a daily practice. It's about making time each day to check in with yourself, to realign with your desires, and to keep your thoughts and emotions in harmony with what you want to create. It's about making self-care a priority, and recognizing that when you take care of yourself, you are able to take care of everything else in your life. The most powerful thing you can do each day is to recognize that you are worthy of love, success, and happiness. When you focus on yourself, you acknowledge your worth. You stop waiting for permission from others to live your life. You begin to live from a place of self-empowerment and self-love. The power to change your life lies within you. It always has. And when you focus on yourself every day, you begin to unlock that power. The world may try to distract you, but when you stay true to yourself, when you make your thoughts, feelings, and desires your priority, you become unstoppable. The more you focus on yourself, the more you understand that you are the creator of your reality. You are not a victim of circumstances, you are a creator of your own experience. The key to personal transformation starts with the recognition that you are in charge of your own life. Every day is an opportunity to refocus and adjust your mindset to attract what you desire. By taking a few moments to center yourself and truly examine your thoughts and emotions, you begin to gain clarity. This clarity allows you to move forward with confidence. It's so easy to become distracted by the noise of daily life, the demands of work, the opinions of others, the media's portrayal of success. But when you focus inwardly, you clear away the external distractions and start to tune into what truly matters. So, take the time to focus on yourself today and every day. Make it a habit, and watch your life transform in ways you never imagined possible. You are the architect of your life. Your thoughts and actions shape your reality. By focusing on yourself, you are aligning with your highest self and the life you were always meant to live.